Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all comments in TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application. So once you open, you simply need to click on the profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars on the top right. Here you need to click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on comment and watch history. Here you need to click on comment history. So it will take few seconds to load. And then you simply need to click on comment. And here you need to hold your comment and delete. Okay. Go back and let me show you. It is also removed from the comment history. Here you can see that. So this is a process by which you can delete all comments on TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.